Happy January! Would you love to have a bread that's superfood packed with protein, vegetables, and actually macronutrient balanced to help you with your health goals this month and really the rest of the year? If so, this video is for you. I am so excited to share this with you. It's a new recipe I've been working on. I put it in my app and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of it today. So come with me and join me as I show you pictures of the process of making this superfood bread. You'll see how there is not only the superfood in there, there's extra vegetables, extra protein. It's packed full of antioxidants and fiber. And this is exactly what you are going to need when you are on a health journey, losing weight, maintaining weight, building strength, and really getting on track for January. So come with me, let me show you some pictures, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will include it in the comments below this video, and it's in my app, so you'll kind of get a sneak peek. If you'd like more recipes like this, make sure you join my app today, like and subscribe, and let's go. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to show you the pictures of the process I went through so you can see this recipe in action. Look at that beautiful pumpkin protein bread. This is superfood at its finest, my friend. Did you know that pumpkin is a superfood because it is high nutrient, low calorie? And all of these ingredients that you're looking at right here, those are the things you're going to want to use as you are improving your health, optimizing your health. Maybe you're losing weight, maintaining weight, wanting to reduce inflammation. These are the things you're going to want to use. And I'm not going to list them all out for you because they're in the description of this video, but I do want to point out this beautiful texture of the bread. It's exactly what you would expect from a nice cozy bread. And also the reason that we use these particular ingredients that you're seeing here is because of how they balance out the body, balancing the blood sugar, balancing the hormones. That's really important for lowering inflammation, losing weight, keeping it off, being confident. And interestingly, when you balance out your blood sugar and your hormones, it also helps keep your hunger and your cravings at bay, which supports a healthy weight and healthy energy. I mean, look at how beautiful this looks. Wouldn't you love to eat this every day? I've been eating it for breakfast recently. I do want to point out this parchment paper is being used here to line the pan, to reduce burning, and to help make cleanup a breeze. You can just take it out of the oven. Look how beautiful that is. Those little cracks means it's done perfectly and cooked right through. And then you'll see the portion size right here of this beautiful bread. So I hope that you will access this recipe and more in the app and enjoy them as part of your healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you next time.